Hello everyone and welcome. Let's make an easy spicy red lentil soup that is healthy, quick, and so delicious. Heat up 3 tablespoons olive oil on medium heat. Now we add carrots, celery, onions, and salt. Saute 10 minutes until the vegetables are softened. Do not rush this step because it is the flavor base for the soup. After 10 minutes, the vegetables are softened. Add the garlic. Saute for 30 seconds until fragrant. Now we go in with the tomato paste. Stir and saute for 1 minute. Now we go in with the seasonings. I'm using thyme, cumin, and paprika. Stir it very well. Add the red lentils. I already rinsed them very well. Stir to combine. I hope you are enjoying today's video. I appreciate you all for your support. Please tell me in the comment where you're watching me from. Now we go in with unsalted vegetable broth, chickpeas, water, and diced tomatoes. I used crushed tomatoes because that was what I had. I want this soup to be spicy, so I added dry pepper. I used African bird, which is very spicy and hot. This will make the soup warm you up. Stir it very well. Cover it, then turn up the heat to bring the soup to a boil. After bringing the soup to a boil, cover it again. Lower the heat to medium. Then simmer until the lentils are tender. Add some fresh baby spinach leaves, or you can use vegetable of your choice. Simmer uncovered for about a minute so the spinach will wilt. And our spicy red lentil soup is ready. Easy, right? And super delicious too. Trust me, this lentil soup is pure comfort in a bowl. Try it and let me know how you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.